everyone, welcome back to Math Minds. Our learning target for this video is I can translate between exponential and logarithmic equations and understand their relationship. Let's take a look at some vocabulary. Starting with the format of a logarithmic function, we have log base b of x equals y. Log is short for logarithm, the operation that asks what exponent. B is our variable for base. The number being repeatedly multiplied must be positive and not equal to 1. X is our variable, which is our argument in this case. The number you are taking the log of must be positive. Y is our exponent, otherwise known as output. The answer to the question, what power of b gives x? Now we're going to take a look at the format of the exponential function. B to the power of y is equal to x. B is once again our base. The number being repeatedly multiplied must be positive and not equal to 1. X is our result. The argument becomes the result of the exponential expression. Y is the exponent, also known as the output. The log output becomes the exponent. So we want to keep in mind that our equations are equivalent equations because logarithmic and exponential functions are inverses of one another. Now let's move in to the problem of the day. Solve the following logarithms for x. Part A, log base 4 of x is equal to 1/2. To solve for x, we want to refer to the logarithmic function log b of x is equal to y. So using this, we are going to take a look at our base. Over here, our base is 4. 4 to the power of 1/2 is going to be equal to x. So let's rewrite this. 4 to the power of 1/2 is equal to x. Now let's rewrite 4 to the power of 1/2 as the square root of 4 is equal to x. The square root of 4 is positive and negative 2, which is equal to x. We want to keep in mind that our answer of negative 2 is not a solution because the argument cannot be a negative value. For this reason, x is going to be equal to 2, and this is our solution. Now let's take a look at part B. Log of base x of 1/6 is equal to negative 1/2. We want to use our logarithmic function format once again for reference. So we have x to the power of negative 1/2, and this is going to be equal to 1/6. Now let's rewrite this. X to the power of negative 1/2 equal to 1/6. And now we want to remove our negative exponent. To do this, we are going to be using exponential properties. We are going to rewrite this as 1/x to the power of 1/2. This is now a positive exponent. This is equal to 1/6. We want to solve for our x variable. To do this, we are going to say that x to the 1/2 power is equal to 6. We are going to be squaring both sides of this equation to remove that 1/2 exponent. So we now have x is equal to 36. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.